everyone, I'm going to be showing you today how you can send messages through the Canvas Gradebook to specific students who meet specific criteria per assignment. So, I'm an anatomy and physiology teacher, so we were doing a lab with liver, hydrogen peroxide, and enzymes. And as you can see, some students have turned it in, some students haven't. Some have turned them in, they're just not graded, some are just completely missing. So, if I wanted to message all the students who haven't turned in the assignment, I would go and do this. I'm going to find the assignment in my Canvas Gradebook, which is right here. And then from there, I'm going to click these three dots, the snowman looking thing, and then this opens up this menu. We're going to go down all the way to Message Students Who. Click that, and we're going to have the option to message students who haven't submitted yet, haven't been graded, scored less than, or scored more than. So, I like to use the ones that haven't submitted yet, and it brings up all the students that haven't submitted this assignment. And I teach 150 kids, so I have quite a few. And so I can just type, hey, you need to turn this in as soon as possible. And then I'd press send message. Or I could go to a different criteria. So if students scored less than, so passing for me is a 70, and so students that have scored less than a 70, depending on the criteria, if they've turned it in late or whatnot, if it's past the due date, then I don't let them redo it. But if I wanted to let them redo it, I could just say, hey, you have the option to redo this if you want before Saturday. And then I'd press send. Now, when I press send, it will send individual messages to each of these students. There's probably about 15 students here. It'll send 15 individual messages, but the same message. So it is not a group message. You do not need to worry about other students knowing who has and has not done what, who scored what. So once again, that process is I find something that I need my an assignment in the gradebook, click on the three dots in the column, message students who, and I can pick a criteria, type my message, and send it. And that is pretty much all you got to do. Hope you learned something.